my first time getting the 3 saws with the golden saw. So wish me luck, guys. Here we go.
Major, major, major. What makes it super?
Because it goes up that way. Watch it grow. Ready?
Alright.
See?
Oh, that's cool. Thank you, Tri-State Slots. 12.
12, that's not bad. Trigger, yes. Yellow and green trigger too.
Alright, let's keep on getting them.
Yeah.
Over and over and over.
You have more chances to get them too.
Hey.
Wow.
More chances to get everything. And yet somehow you still get one.
Yes, let it happen. Sometimes you get none. There we go.
Alright.
Oh, I got a gold.
Yeah.
What's that mean? It means you're a gold, it means the mansion you get a higher amount.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Another gold. But only one of that. Come on, more than that.
Another gold.
There we go.
Another gold too.
Yep.
2 gold.
Keep them coming.
There we go.
Yes. 3 more. Come on, keep the hats coming. There we go.
Is that good, all those gold?
Oh yeah, very good.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Oh, that wood.
More.
Give me 3 more right here.
Yeah, right. And she got gold. This could be like Buffalo Link.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh!
Look at all those golds.
Oh, that.
You got a ton of gold.
They got
coming.
6 or 8 of those, huh?
Keep them coming.
Get 8 of them, 9 of them.
Yes,
Yeah.
it did. Oh.
Fill up the whole screen.
So those all go to mansion?
Yes. Dang.
Got quite a few.
Go that.
Oh. Keep them
That's
coming. Keep them coming.
Ah.
Yes.
Yes. And look at all those golds.
How many do I have?
A lot.
This whole row.
6, 8,
Okay, that was it.
11,
Goodness.
17 of them.
Wow.
Where'd it go, guys? Hey, that was my first
Come on,
time.
Major.
See that
Oh my
major?
gosh, look at that.
That's
Isn't
insane.
that pretty?
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, that is awesome.
Go, Susan. Go,
We got
Soupy.
no wood, but we got 2 straws.
It better be good.
Go, Soupy.
He came back.
Minor.
Oh.
Oh, that was huge. 300 $332.
Yes.
Yes.
On a dollar bet?
Yeah.